Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and make sure that Git is installed on our Linux machine. So if you are on Red Hat-based distribution, then you're going to need to follow the instructions for how to install Git on a Red Hat-based distribution. I have a Debian-based distribution, so I'm going to use apt to install. Now, you can check to see if Git's already installed by doing which git. And if you do that, it tells me I already have it installed. But if you needed to install it, you would do sudo apt install git all. And yes. And it's going to install all the packages that we would need for Git. Now note, if you're Mac or Windows, there are instructions for that as well. So if you do want to install Git command line on Windows, there's an explanation of how to do that. And then there's also how to install Git on Mac as well. Now, nobody here should need to install Git from source. If you do that, you're going to have a lot of problems. But once you get more experience, if you want to try that, there's instructions for doing that as well. So that's it. Now we have Git here installed. Should have everything we need. And so now you would be able to continue on with the next video.